Welcome back to Gardener's Cottage here in Blakeney on the North Norfolk coast in East Anglia of the United Kingdom. And today's tour we're going to take you around the bedrooms here at Gardener's Cottage in detail and show you the variation and options that you have if you decide to come and stay with us as guests here in Gardener's Cottage. Now the first bedroom we're going to start with is the first and largest of the downstairs bedrooms. If I just pan around and show you the entrance we've come through, opposite me is the downstairs toilet and bathroom, and just off to my left is the main entertaining area at Gardener's, the kitchen with the seating area. So this is a downstairs bedroom with access directly off the ground floor, and as you can see this room is furnished with a rather impressive dark stained oak and carved bed, 4-poster. It's got the full rails round the top, beautiful piece of carving on the headboard, and this is a king size mattress, a UK king size, slightly different from your US sizes. You can see the bed's currently set up for guests arriving here. There are 2 bedside cabinets in this room, both with bedside lamps. On the rear wall facing the main window is a small oval mirror, and to the eastern side we have the window overlooking the driveway where you can see our vehicle parked, central heating radiators, and in the corner we have a 32-inch widescreen TV just on a low sideboard with an occasional seat. And the other piece of furniture we've got in here is this rather nice Regency fitted wardrobe and writing desk. Look at this, this is rather special. If I just pull that out, that drawer drops down to give you a writing table, and it's so beautifully fitted, this piece of furniture. But there's plenty of hanging space in here. If I open it up, it is almost a full-size wardrobe. And then you've got that small drawer, but 2 massive full-width drawers of this piece of furniture to utilise while you're here. There are plenty of additional mirrors supplied for the use by guests. On a nautical theme, these 2 porthole mirrors reflect the light nicely and lead you through into the adjoining ensuite bathroom. Now this room, as you see, is on flat access with the adjoining bedroom. Partially panelled with a beautiful deep rolled top bath with mixture taps above, soap trays, but also we've got a full-size walk-in shower cubicle with rain shower and spray shower. And there's a low-level WC and wash basin also in this fitted bathroom. Heated towel rail. This room also has underfloor electric heating that can be adjusted on a wall switch just round the corner in the adjoining bedroom. So this makes a beautiful ensuite downstairs twin, double or king size bed facility with the TV and chair. Also gives guests the option to come and watch some private TV or just to sit and read if they so choose to do so. Now let's go through into the other of the downstairs bedrooms. Back onto the main corridor, just to remind you, that's your main seating and living kitchen. Also on this corridor we do have this low-level bath, WC and wash basin. And then if I bring you through into this further downstairs flat access king-size bedroom on the rear of the property. This is a painted bed with bedsides, 2 lamps. This room also has a twin small seating area with wing-back armchairs and a small coffee table in between them. And then in that cabinet there is a DVD player and an additional TV for guests to use. Small Lloyd loom to allow a third person to come in here and watch telly. The artwork in this bedroom is a little bit on a floral theme with some period frame prints. Just to show you those, these are rather nice, almost lithograms really, or mesotints. Beautiful. and then the smaller, more delicate little bits of art on this wall. But we draw you back to the nautical theme with the rather nice oil painting just above the coffee table of the sailing boats. Could have been taken at Wells. I don't think it actually was, but rather nice piece of art. Now this room has the rather strange feature of being attached to not an ensuite bathroom, but an ensuite utility room, and you can just see through there. You have this facility with the washing machine, tumble dryer, wash basin in here. Most people use this to sleep their dogs in, or as a boot room. It does have a door going out onto a courtyard area, which is ideal for letting your dogs out in the morning. But there's the option there to use that for doing your teeth or whatever. But as I say, this does have immediately adjoining it that downstairs wash basin, low-level toilet and bath with mixer taps again. So that's directly adjoining that, although this is used as the main toilet facilities for the downstairs part of the house. So let's take you upstairs now and do the 3 remaining bedrooms. As I come out onto the upstairs landing, I'm going to turn immediately right. You'll see on this area we've got a small seating area again with a lamp. It gives you views over Blakeney High Street in the distance, as you'll just see. But we've come now to the main upstairs principal or master bedroom suite, which we're going to walk you through here. It's a very nice large room with views out towards the coast. You can't see the sea without straining your neck from here, but the pine trees give you a feeling of where you are in Blakeney. Here we are looking back at the rather beautiful peachy pink upholstered bed with artwork above it, matching bedsides. In this room you've also got a small cupboard for storage and with some books in it, dressing table area with lights and mirrors, a large full-size dressing mirror and a low-level wardrobe. And on my left we have a small seating area where guests can take a drink or coffee or come and sit and read, an additional chest of drawers and a child's bed, which is an option to use if you want to. This can be utilised as a family room with small children coming to stay in holiday accommodations. Sometimes they like to come and sleep in with mum and dad for at least the first night until they get used to the property. And on this bedroom we also have this beautiful adjoining ensuite facility, wash basin, roll top bath with mixer taps, low level WC and a walk-in shower, another rain shower as you can see, with heated towel rails, further Lloyd loom for seating and just putting your clothes on while you're preparing yourself. And this one has underfloor heating again, so very cosy and comfortable in winter, and a nice facility to have that as an ensuite bath. Now the remaining 2 bedrooms we're going to take you to now. Let's just go to the 4th and smallest of the bedrooms. Just before we get there, let me show you the remaining bathroom that we have up here, shared by the remaining 2 bedrooms we're about to visit. Low level WC again. This is another partially panelled bathroom, wash basin, cupboard, heated towel rail, and above the low level bath we've got this mixer shower again to give showering facilities for guests using these 2 bedrooms. Now this is the smallest but sunniest of the bedrooms. This one I actually like myself. It's quite nice, cosy, very sunny and warm in summer. We've got a double painted wooden bed here with a single bedside. This has got limited roof access down that far aspect of the bed, so if you're very tall that may be a little bit of an issue, but you've got clear access on this front. And again, this bedroom is fitted with another single bed, chest of drawers. There isn't wardrobe facilities in this room, simply wouldn't fit I'm afraid, but you do have a hanging rail on the back of the door which does at least give you some facilities to hang your clothes out. But if we go through to the 5th and final bedroom, there is a large wardrobe area in this one. Now just look at that bed. This is a Real good design feature of this bedroom. This is a 3 foot tall top of that mattress bed, oak framed, painted in a distressed finish with 2 matching bedsides, lampage and a storage cupboard. You've got views again to the north, overlooking the courtyard towards the sea, and then 2 additional single beds in this room, allowing this to be used as the family bedroom. You've got a south-facing window over the garden, which is lovely, and in this cupboard here, a built-in, rather clever fitted storage for luggage and hanging rails as a wardrobe feature. So that's the bedroom tour of Gardener's Cottage here in Blakeney. I do hope that's given you a feel for the facilities that are on offer. There are 3 upstairs bedrooms sharing 2 bathrooms and 2 downstairs bedrooms offering flat access, one with an ensuite and one sharing the family downstairs bathroom facility. Staircase access to them is standard width with a single grab rail. It's panelled on the wall side without grabs, so that needs to be considered for anybody with disabled access considering accessing the top floor bedrooms. Hope that's helped. I look forward to welcoming you here to Gardener's Cottage.